guys, my name's Wendy. I'm a lecturer in landscape architecture and I run Landscape Studio 1, which is our first studio in the master's program. So today I'm just going to run you through what we do when we run a studio and show you some of the resources that we use and some of the expectations for what you as students will do and how we connect. So I'll just share my screen. This is our LMS page. So this is our main landing page for where I post assignments, but I also explain weekly tasks and things. And in here we have a series of modules. You can see them here. Usually they work from 1 through F for each week. And in the modules, I'll put the tasks for that week. I'll put in some of your homework, some of your readings, some videos that I want you to watch, but I also include some resources, so things that will help you with your assignments and get your work done. We also use these spaces for things like group discussions. So you might do some reading discussions with some of your colleagues, and then you put your answers and your responses in here. And by using the discussion boards, we have a chance for you to post some ideas and the tutors and I to post some responses to that and ask some further questions. So the other thing that we do, twice a week we get together and we have a discussion about your work in progress, checking in with what you're going, and also a chance for me to explain the next tasks in a bit more detail. So for Studio 1 we meet twice a week. For other studios it might just be once a week. And these discussions tend to be either in your whole class group, or I might break it down into smaller groups depending on the week and what needs to be talked about. The way we do this is we have a Zoom meeting, and then we also share work through an online platform like Mural. So this is our mural board for Studio 1. This is a bit of a mess at the moment, but you can see where students have been posting the work that I've been asking for. So I set very particular tasks for each week, and then I'll zoom in. So for example, here are some of the clay models that students have been working on at home at the moment, and some of the iterations of those. And something like Mural it's a collaborative board, so I can be here and indicate with my mouse that students and the other tutors can also be in the same space looking at and talking about the same thing. I can make comments on this, great, or I can mark it up in different ways. So it's a really great way to have those kinds of studio-like discussions where we're looking at and talking about work at the same time. Design studios are really important forums for students to come together collectively and to work collaboratively, both in sharing ideas but also for expanding their own thoughts and expanding their own processes. And we've found this semester by using a range of tools, from online text-based discussion boards through to face-to-face Zoom sessions, by having meetings, by sharing work on the collaborative digital workspaces like Mural, but also by encouraging students to engage with different kinds of social media. So I know they're using WeChat groups as well as Facebook groups. We've actually got a really great collective group of students this semester. They're really resilient, and most importantly, the work they've produced this semester has been excellent.